Hello friends and welcome to this video of Margi RP, in which today we will get to know that how to modify replacement issue challan of transaction menu. There is a need to modify replacement issue challan because suppose at the time of creating the challan of any of your party or customer, you have taken the wrong party ledger, or you have loaded any wrong item, or you want to add any new item in that challan. So you can do all this with the help of modify challan. Now let us see its process in the software, for which we will go to transaction menu, then to replacement issue, then click on modify challan. Then a window of modify will open, in which in number field you will mention that challan number to which you want to modify. Then do enter. After this, set for field on edit and do enter again. So you will directly switch to the replacement issue alteration window. Now you will simply click on modify tab and do the modification as per the requirement. Suppose if you want to change the party, means either you have taken wrong party or customer name, or you want to change the party due to any other reason. So you will simply press tab key on name field. So a ledgers window will open. Now you will do enter on that party or customer ledger of which replacement issue challan you want to modify. As you will change the party, this message will be shown on the screen. Want to change party? So we will type here sure for the confirmation. In this way you can change the party. Now if you want to increase or decrease the quantity of any item, then you will move to that particular item and increase or decrease the quantity in the quantity field. And if you want to add more item in challan, so by pressing enter key, come to the item description window, then add the item or quantity as per the requirement. Similarly, if you want to delete any item, then switch on that particular item and press delete key. So in this way that item will get deleted. In this way you can modify the replacement issue entry. Now after the modification, you will save the entry by pressing the end key or tab key. Apart from it, if you don't know the challan number or you want to view or modify the other challan entries, means more than one, then in that case you will skip this number field and do enter. Then cursor will switch into the drop down of custom field, in which you can select from the drop down that you want to view or modify the replacement issue challan which created in today's date, or you have to view or modify that challan entries which you have created yesterday, or all means you want to view or modify all entries which were created till date. Or you can select the custom option and can customize the dates accordingly, means from which date and month till which date and month you want to view or modify the created entries. So now we will set this drop down to all and do enter. Next field is filter. You can set the filtration from the drop down of filter that you want to view or modify the created entries of single ledger or of all ledgers. Or you want to modify the entries of those ledgers which debit note are not adjusted till date. Now we will select all ledgers in filter field and we will do enter. So the entries of replacement issue will be shown to you according to the fields which you have set. Now you will press enter key on that entry to which you want to modify and then click on modify tab and do the modification as per the requirement. So friends, by following any of the process shown in the video, you can modify the replacement issue challan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.